everyone, this is Tiffany from Alizarin Coating Co. Limited. Do you know I was very excited because I have got a new idea with Alizarin pretty stickers. You see here, this is easy pattern sheets. We cut it into from rolls to sheets. And I was so excited to know this kind of usage. And I hope you'll be as excited as we do. You see, I have a handful of easy patterns with Alizarin pretty stickers. We created just to show you what you can do with Alizarin pretty stickers to open up your new business. And you created some wonderful patterns for your business to offer to your customers. With these kinds of easy patterns, customers, they can do their own creative designs. Do not worry about printing. And from this part, we could open up new business for easy patterns, because we could sell this kind of roll size or A4, A3 size to some owners of cutting plotters, any kind of cutting plotters, and we could sell them on some e-commerce shop or some online business stores. So because of the product itself, it is unique features, so it will be very easy for our clients to make any kind of designs, to make fashion design. Now, today I will share you step by step how to make special easy pattern with Alizarin pretty stickers, HTW-300S. Let's go. Now it is printing, and we just print it, no need to cut. Today we are using Mimaki Eco-Solvent printers with series CGV-150-107. This printer it can print our big roll size with 111 centimeters. We will use our Alizarin pretty stickers HTW-300S. As we all know, Mimaki Eco-Solvent printer is a good solution for customized business in t-shirts or some gifts or some different kinds of customization markets. Just for show, and if you are interested in this kind of printer, you could contact us by sales@alizarin.com.cn. We could recommend you some agents in your country. Except for this, if you are interested in some Eco-Solvent printers, we could recommend you some made in China cutting Eco-Solvent printer factory. I have some pre-printed designs here. Then we'll cut it into sheets to match with our cutting plotter. Let's go. Let's come to step 2. Okay, now let's come to step 2. We'll put our cutting sheets into cutting plotter. We will recommend you to using a 30 angle blade to achieve a perfect cutting. Now the speed is 680 pressure. Here I have cutting. Now I do weeding. Now we have to mask the pretty sticker with alizarin adhesive polyester film to remove the image from carrier. And use a squeeze to create a bond and remove the images from carrier. We could lay the images on adhesive polyester film backing for later using.